And then before we actually talk about money, like how much you made in total, like what would you say you've achieved from this challenge?
Confidence. I'd say confidence. Once you've seen something work, it's like, okay, it's working. That means I can do more or I can do it for other people as well. But at least now you've got the proof to say this has worked.
And how much have you made from this, from what you've managed to
So
sell?
far, started end of July, beginning of August. We've made 145,000. I'm saying we because I'm doing this with my sister. She does the running around. I do the technical bits of it. We've made so far 145,000 rand in the past year.
145,000. Yo,
Yeah.
okay. And how does that make you feel?
It feels good. It's like, okay, so this I can do this.
One of the things I love most about running the 5-day digital product breakthrough challenge is seeing real people taking action and changing their lives. Today I'm interviewing Khethiwe, who joined the challenge not so long ago, but what she's been able to do is absolutely incredible. She went from having no idea on what product she can sell and having no prior success selling things online to actually making a lot of money and fulfilling her dream of becoming a stay-at-home mom who earns income by doing what she wants online. I wanted to bring her on today so that she can tell her story. You can find out how she got to this point, learn a few lessons from her, and see what's possible if you actually take action. Okay, today we're here with Khethiwe Jove, and she's just going to be sharing her testimonial and what she's managed to achieve so far. So, firstly, I just want to ask you, how are you feeling today?
I'm feeling good today. Yeah, it's just another Monday. Hoping
Another
that the
Monday.
rest of it goes well. Yes.
And where are you from, by the way?
I am from KZN, KwaZulu-Natal. I'm in Maritzburg at the moment, but I travel in between Maritzburg and a small town called Greytown.
Okay, okay.
Mm.
And what made you want to join the 5-day challenge?
Well, I've always been on the net looking for ways to make money online. Um, my dream is to be a stay-at-home mom and make money being at home with the kids. Yeah, that's my dream. So that's what actually sparked everything to for me to start searching online and to see what I can actually do online that would help me generate an income. So yeah, I came across your channel and I've watched a couple of your YouTube videos and I took your 5-day challenge as well as your web design course. Yeah.
Awesome. Would you say that life is different after taking the challenge?
Yes, definitely it is. It opens you up to many more possibilities and I've always had ideas of what I wanted to do. But it kind of gives you a how to as to how you can actually do those things and reach people that are not close to you who actually need your services.
Okay. So it taught you how to do some stuff. Would you say maybe there were any other struggles that you had before the challenge or even doubts? Yeah.
Yes, of course. You doubt, see, is this thing real? Fine, you hear people have made so much online, blah blah blah, and you're thinking, I yeah, and you see those online platforms and you do buy from a few people here and there, but you kind of doubt, well, is it really possible for me to do it?
Okay. Thanks for sharing that. And what was your favorite part about the challenge?
My favorite part is always creating. I like creating things, putting things together and see them work. That's my favorite part. Well, I'm more of a builder. I like building things and to see them working. That's my thing.
Okay. And would you say that like the steps that were outlined in the challenge, they were easy to follow and like just a good roadmap for someone to
Yes,
apply?
yes, definitely. They are easy to follow. You just need to follow them and do them. And also just get the courage to put them out there in public because you can do them by yourself, um, and not press the button to say publish. but just publish them and then you'll be able to see the results that they generate.
Nice. And then was there
Yeah.
like one particular thing that for you it was like, aha, this is it. I've got it in the challenge.
It's finding once I manage to locate the niche
Yeah.
and to find an audience. That was the thing, because you would think, okay, fine, you've got an idea of something, you'd like to put it out there, but you don't really know if people are going to respond to it.
Yeah.
So once you found the niche and manage to drill down on a certain problem and offer a solution, seeing that response from people, that was an eye opener for me.
Nice. Nice. And then before we actually talk about money, like how much you made in total, like what would you say you've achieved from this challenge?
Confidence. I'd say confidence. Once you've seen something work, it's like, okay, it's working. That means I can do more or I can do it for other people as well. But at least now you've got the proof to say this has worked.
Nice. Nice. And how much have you made from this, from what you've managed to
So
sell?
far, started end of July, beginning of August. We've made 145,000. I'm saying we because I'm doing this with my sister. She does the running around. I do the technical bits of it. We've made so far 145,000 Rand in the past.
145,000. Yo,
Yeah.
okay. And how does that make you feel?
It feels good. It's like, okay, so this I can do this. I can do this. Oh. Hi, Marshall, I'm back.
You are back.
Yes. We can continue.
Okay, no, thanks
So
for
it was
coming
so
back.
hot in the car. My device was boiling, so I went out and I'm in the premises now. So we're good.
Okay. The network is a bit slow, but it's clearing a bit.
Okay.
Okay, but yeah, I can hear you clearly. You had
Okay.
just told me that you had made 145,000, and I was asking how did that make you feel?
Yes, no, it made me feel good. It was very nice. Especially because from nothing, you kind of like, okay, you're not seeing exactly how everything is gonna work out. You don't really trust that people are gonna open their pockets and pay for something that they're not going to receive physically. So
Yeah,
it's like, oh, okay, yeah, people do the well, I know I do it. I buy courses all the time and I buy stuff all the time online, but you're kind of thinking to yourself, am I the only one who's doing this? And then it's other people that are doing it, and if when you're getting such a response, it's very nice. It's confidence boosting.
that's great to hear. That's great to hear.
Yeah.
In case maybe
Yeah.
someone is watching this and they're curious, what type of product you are selling? Do you mind sharing a bit about that?
Okay. So, it's not a physical product, like I said. We have a golf clubbing club for women.
Hmm.
We established that. So we are basically organizing events for Black women who would like to try out golf and see how it feels. You know, the sports is always like a white male dominated sport. So with that idea to say, okay, maybe there would be some interest in women who would like to be exposed to golf, especially Black women. So we organize events to go speak to the golf club owners
Yeah,
and we get a quotation of how much it would be to host women for the day for a 2 hour session, organize them mini golfing trainings, and
yeah.
then a meetup after that. And then then we add our markup and we market it to our audience. And then the ladies buy the tickets to the events and then they come on the day. And yeah, that's what we do. And we've recently also partnered with golfing instructors to say we'll market your golf programs to our audience for a fee. So we are running 2 golfing programs to the ladies in the club. And yes, the response has been amazing.
Awesome, awesome. So I saw like on your website. So what you are selling as a digital product is the ticket. They're not getting a physical
Yes,
product ticket.
yes,
Okay, okay.
yes.
Yeah, that's nice. And then like in terms of like actually finding people to buy, how are you finding these people?
Okay, so we started on TikTok.
Mhm.
Open an account on TikTok. When we started selling our first event, we were at 1,200 followers.
Yeah,
Yes, so we're posting up quizzes on our TikTok account. We're posting fashion inspo for the golfing attire.
yeah,
And then we created a landing page. There was a waiting list for people who would be interested to attending the events, and we collected all the information from there. And then we started marketing the events to them via email marketing. And that's how we're selling our tickets.
congratulations. Congratulations. Well done.
Thank you. Thank you.
And what advice would you give to someone who is on the fence about joining the 5 day challenge?
Yeah. Just do it, get it, sign up for the 5 day challenge, go through it. You'll have steps to follow, follow all those instructions. Try and dig deep as well as to what interests you as a person and what you would be good at. Um, and then you can work from there, get your ideas and execute those ideas. And by the end of the 5 days, you would have received all the tools and the information that you need to start your business, if you want to start your business, or to even offer it to somebody else as a service as well. So it won't just be constrained to you designing a digital, like an ebook or something, because that's what most of us think is a digital product. We're just thinking, okay, a book or a course,
Yeah.
but it can be anything. Like we are just selling tickets and to events. So you can do anything with this as long as you follow all the steps, find the right problem to solve, and then you can offer your solution in a digital form.
Awesome. Well said. Well said.
Mm.
Then
Yes.
last two questions. Where do you see your business going from here?
Okay, so we are expanding to, because we've been running it in Johannesburg. So we're now branching it to Pretoria, and then we'll be going into other provinces as well, after we've gauged their interest in other provinces. And then we are also looking at developing a platform where golf instructors can sign up and we find clients for them. So that will be a different arm of the business.
Wow.
And then, as for me personally, I plan to offer the service to other businesses,
Mhm.
offer them website designing, offer them email marketing, offer them product development, and yeah. And those would be my income streams for my stay-at-home mom dream.
Well, I think you're well on your way. You are doing so well. So your things
Thank
are
you.
coming
Thank
good.
you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Last question. What has this experience taught you about yourself?
That I'm capable. Well, and also it's not for little kids. The technology is not for little kids. I might look young, but I'm a little older than than the people who actually like to try and fiddle with things technology wise. In my 40s, but I've been able to do this and it's doable. So at whatever age, as long as you're willing to sit down and learn and execute, then everything is, yeah. work out.
Awesome. Khethiwe, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for sharing your story, and all the best to you on your dreams and your journey.
All
Brilliant.
right. Thank you so much. And good luck to everybody. And if anybody has doubts, just go into it, do it, go through the 5 days and take it from there.
Awesome. Thanks so much for your time.
All right. Thank you. Cheers.